Boost your affiliate commissions. As an affiliate marketer, you already know how the process works. You've been through all of the initial process, and things are running smoothly. However, wouldn't it be nice if you could easily turn those commissions into double the amount you're presently making, or even more? I mean, you wake up one morning, and all of a sudden you see your affiliate marketing commission numbers have raised to twice as much as what they were the night before? Here are some quite powerful ways to boost those affiliate commissions in very little time. Know what to promote. It's quite evident you want to promote a program or product which will be able to help you achieve the greatest profit margin in the least amount of time. There are several factors to take into consideration when selecting such a program. The types you want to aim for are those with the most generous commission structure, as well as products that fit within your target audience. With the thousands of affiliate programs you can find online, you have the right to be picky. Take time to investigate any potential choices, making sure they pay their affiliates on time. Write short ebooks or free reports your visitors can download from your site. These can be in relation to the product you are promoting, or simply additional information your site visitors can find useful. In cases where you are competing with others and promoting the same product, having this additional information available for your potential clients will easily distinguish you from others. This will add to your credibility. Establish a sign-up box on your main pages of your websites. Advertise your own e-zine, or offer free updates on the products or programs you are promoting. This allows you to collect email addresses and contact information from your site visitors. You are then able to keep in touch with them, offering to go the extra mile. They will most likely return to you for their needs a second time. Offering bonuses is very important. These don't have to be related to the product you're promoting. With the number of affiliates out there promoting the same items or services as you are, there has to be more for your potential client when they hit your page. Those who already know you will buy from experience. However, those who have never seen your pages before need that extra bang for their buck. They need a deal in order to stick with your offer and not go elsewhere. These easy tips can find you quickly and easily, bringing in those larger commission checks in no time at all.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.